We're here about November, I think. I'm not sure if I think we were in Conan the Incident, I don't remember that, but they've been kind enough to come back each May now for 7 years, and we're wonderful glad to have them here. I'm not going to go on talking more. I think I'll just let Tom take over here. He's the president of the things, Tom Shorey.
Okay, band, you all ready? Everybody ready? Yeah. Ready? Okay, you ready, audience? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present to you this evening, all the way from Montesano, Washington, the Grays Harbor Banjo Band. Everywhere you go, sunshine follows you. Everywhere you go, skies are always blue. Children love you, they seem to know. You bring the roses from the snow. The whole world says hello. Everywhere you go, take it, man. The whole world says hello. Everywhere you go, everywhere you go, everywhere you go. Thank you very much. We're so